Have you ever experienced a computer or power problem that led your laptop to shut down and you weren't able to save your files which you have been working on for the whole day? Frustrating, right? Worry no more. Today we're going to learn how to autosave files without constantly pressing save in Microsoft apps. This is applicable in Word, Excel, and in PowerPoint. Again, this step-by-step procedure is valid for all Microsoft apps. However, in this video, we're just going to use Microsoft Excel. Okay, so we open Microsoft Excel and then we proceed to File. Then click Options. Then go to Save. So after clicking Save, this will appear. So you have to check this one, and to constantly auto-save our file, we have to make the minutes into every 1 minute. So our work will be constantly saved every 1 minute. So we won't worry anymore of any computer or power problem. Well done! Worry no more of any unsaved files. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe and the like button for more videos. See you in the next video.